Did you know that the manual, if you can call this a manual, for the MX Ergo has no information on how to clean this beautiful, beautiful trackball mouse? Nothing on the box either, or on the back of a box. But it's fine. So first of all, you just take off the back plate. It's magnetically connected, so there's no issue here. And then you have to get the trackball out through this tiny hole. Now this is a challenge compared to, for example, the M570. Here you can just use a finger, maybe not my thumb, but index finger. Yeah, good enough. And it goes out. No such luck with the MX Ergo. My index finger does not go in. My small finger does not go in. Also, let's just turn it off so you don't mess up anything on your computer while cleaning. So you have to somehow get it out. You can try to kind of squeeze it out, but this is quite hard. Might be possible. No. I think I got it once or twice. So they actually have a guide on their website, and they use the back side of a pen. Yeah. So what, I'm supposed to go like this? No, please don't do that. You might scratch your ball and mess up your wonderful trackball mouse. Please do not use scissors, even if they are handy. Just don't. I must admit I've actually been using this cable tie because it's just handy and nearby for me. And it kind of works. I think it's soft enough to not damage the ball. So I actually pushed it in there. Okay, let's keep doing it like... Oh, that was just the cable tie, don't worry. But it's a really bad option. It's just too soft. You need something hard enough not to be annoying. But I have been only cleaning it maybe once every 2 months so far. So it's an acceptable solution. But there are better solutions. The best solution probably is a cotton swab. Swab. It's hard enough to push it through, and you can use it to clean at the same time. Well, to be honest, I usually use my fingers, but a cotton swab is nicer for this. So cotton swab, perfect. If you haven't any, buy them next time. Why don't you? Next time you're in the store. Yeah, this one also does not fit, but you can find a pen that fits. This one has a plastic tip, so as long as you can trust yourself to not accidentally start putting the ball out like this, you can use a pen. Here we are. Or maybe a pencil, let's see, does it? Yeah, it fits. Again, I suggest you use the back side, not this side. And if you have a rubber here, just make sure it's all rubber and not the metal thing holding the rubber that'll scratch the ball and maybe ruin your wonderful and expensive trackball mouse forever. So I'm just going to keep this nearby. But let's actually clean the 3 tiny balls inside of a trackball mouse. By the way, this you can just place here. Okay. To prevent it from rolling off. So you just wipe over this a little. And then this one's dusty. Wipe here a little. And then wipe here a little. There is, in my opinion, absolutely no need for liquids. Supposedly it's okay to use, well, disinfectant, but really there shouldn't be any need for this. Be aware that there might be gaps through which liquids might enter the compartment with electronics, so you might ruin your trackball mouse if you just pour something in. I'm cleaning it dry. I've always been doing it like that. And I suggest you just blow in there. Try to blow dryly to get any remaining dust out. And that would be it. Just pop it back in there. Pop this back on there. And turn it back on. Of course, the same applies to the Ergo Pro. It just has this additional angle increaser, or whatever to call it. Give this video a like if it helped. Let me know what you've been using to clean yours before this. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, enjoy your beautiful MX Ergo. I like this thing. Until next time, ciao!